Hi everybody, it's Brad. We are going to take this ugly, nasty jar and I am going to plant a little bitty piece of, I think it is a ivy. I had a big piece of ivy in another pot and I think it just froze. And this is coming back. So I'm going to take this piece of ivy and I'm going to put it in here and I'm going to hopefully make it a terrarium. But I got to get this cleaned out. That is some nasty stuff, whatever it is. But there's that. Go, this is the way you wash a jar, wash a jar, wash a jar. This is the way you wash a jar with freezing cold water. This water is cold, y'all. Uh-oh, my thing fell off. It's okay. There's that. Now let's take the metal ring off. Wash this out. There. Now then, I need to take this jar and I'm going to go over here for just a minute and I'm going to put about that much rock in the bottom of it, little pea gravel. And I'm not going to put a whole bunch. I'm just going to put a little bit in there. You do that way when you water, your water has a place to go and your plant will not sit in the water. Had to go get my perlite and I'm just going to put a handful in here just to kind of keep the soil nice and light. Uh-oh, I forgot something though. Y'all, I need to make a little barrier in the bottom of here. Now then, I'm going to take this and just put it in here on top of it. I'm just going to put a little bit of water in here. Because we don't have a whole lot of dirt in here to get wet. Now then, I'm going to take this big old piece of ivy I have, and I'm going to put it right in the center. Just like that. If any of y'all have been watching for a while, you remember the video where I picked up the moss? This is a piece of it. Can you see it? Yeah, that's a piece of the moss I picked up. So I'm just going to take this and break it into a couple of little pieces and just kind of put it in there and just mash it down. And hopefully it will eventually fill up the bottom of the jar. Here comes the fun part. I gotta figure out how to put this back together. I think this goes... maybe that seemed to work. Now then, this piece will go on this side. Let's see. think it goes like that. Put that one in and that one in. Well, I put it in upside down. So let's see if it goes like this. Or if I put it in upside down again, which is very possible. Now it goes like this. Put this up here and pull this down. And there, these may look kind of cool in there. Yep, got it right that time. There. How does that look, everybody? I'm hoping that little ivy grows and grows and grows and fills up the whole jar. But there's that one down. Thank you for watching the video. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you want to make any kind of comments, please feel free to comment. If you think there's something else I need to do or should do or I can do better, let me know. If you have any questions about any of it, just put it in the comments. Thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.